Is it time to buy or sell Reddit stock? In this video, we will explore Reddit in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched artificial intelligence stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of May, 2025, our system has ranked Reddit as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.12. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 136.23% since we first listed Reddit as a buy candidate 80 days ago. This translates to an average return of 1.70% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock rests in the midst of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, with indications of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of 108.86% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 87.64% and 123.22%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis reveals a projected change of 47.38%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 28.31% to positive 55.31% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between 184.65 and 400.1. Our latest daily update for Reddit includes the headline, Red Day on Monday for Reddit Inc. The Reddit Inc. stock price experienced a decline of 2.62% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 22nd of September, 2025. The price fell from $264.48 to $257.56. During this trading session, the stock fluctuated by 3.81%, reaching a low of $253.35 and a high of $262.99. Notably, the price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and has risen by 11.99% over the past 2 weeks. Volume also declined on the last day, which can be interpreted positively, as trading volume typically follows the stock price. On the last trading day, the volume decreased by 6 million shares, with a total of 5 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $1.35 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a highest price of $282.95, while the lowest price was $63.60. Currently, the price stands at 8.97%, or $25.39, below the 52-week high of $282.95, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Reddit RDDT is currently experiencing significant momentum following a series of record highs. Recently, shares closed around $270.71, reflecting an increase of approximately 1.6% for the day. This marks a year-to-date gain exceeding 55%, with a market capitalization surpassing $47 billion. The rally is driven by improved average revenue per user from new advertising solutions and automation, a rapidly growing base of advertisers, and optimistic analyst evaluations that emphasize Reddit's capability to monetize genuine community conversations. In the near term, this momentum and positive news, including reports of the company engaging in discussions with Google regarding a new content sharing and artificial intelligence agreement, are expected to support further growth as investors pursue opportunities for expansion and collaboration. However, anticipate volatility surrounding negotiations and any updates on deal terms, as uncertainty can prompt swift profit-taking. Looking further ahead, consistent growth in average revenue per user, effective strategies against low-quality content generated by artificial intelligence, and opportunities for data licensing could provide strong foundations for lasting revenue growth and a higher valuation multiple. Conversely, unfavorable outcomes from negotiations, cycles in the advertising market, or regulatory challenges may impact valuations, making the execution of deals and partnership conditions crucial drivers for long-term success. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 18th of September 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned RDDT an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, Citigroup also rated RDDT as outperform with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 16th of September 2025, Oppenheimer rated RDDT as outperform, again with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 10th of September 2025, Jefferies rated RDDT as buy with a hold action. Finally, on Sunday, the 3rd of August 2025, Wolfe Research rated RDDT as outperform with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned Reddit stock a general neutral rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts award the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Reddit. The stock of Reddit Incorporated indicates a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal coming from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, which suggests a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $263.40. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will likely find support from the long-term average at around $233.84. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, the 18th of September 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 4.86%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Interestingly, the trading volume decreased in tandem with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume should typically follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 9 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 16 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 68 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 59 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Reddit. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $218.37 and $201.76. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Reddit Inc. finds support just below today's level at $218.37. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $201.76 and $199.09. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. And with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $9.64 between its high and low, which is a change of 3.81%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 5.64%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Reddit, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it's not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is expected on the 4th of November, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 50 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Reddit. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Reddit is at $259.03. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Reddit encounters its first support level at $218.37. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Reddit from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's take a look at some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were carried out by Huffman Steve Ladd, who bought and sold 41,052 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated that insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 49.648. Overall, insiders purchased 108,000 shares and sold 326,543 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $243.73, reflecting a decrease of 5.37%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, indicating a high level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal was generated from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Reddit stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a reasonable chance for Reddit Incorporated stock to perform well in the short term. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 23rd of September, we anticipate Reddit to open higher by 406 thousandths and start trading at 257 9700ths. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.